Yes. Form of verb are three: past form, file mazi, present and future form, muzara, and future form for amr. Okay? File mazi form is pattern is only this: fa'ala. Fa kalma and kalma will be maftu. Muzara, in by adding alamat muzara, we will make it yaf alu. Okay? And amr will come at the pattern of if al if fa kalma is sakin. If fa kalma is sakin, otherwise it will be on the pattern of, it will be like qul, ud, qi, है ना? But first of all, we have to see if fa kalma is sakin, so we will add hamza before it. Otherwise, and lam kalma will be sakin always. Sakin, or which comes at the place of sakin, sukun, and which comes at the place of sukun, you will read in next chapter inshallah. So I am telling you that this is the pattern: fa'ala, yaf'alu, if'al. Okay? Those who are not attending class today, they cannot understand. Again I am explaining this pattern. In this pattern, if we want to make um, sigas, means it is an Arabic specialty that we can add doer if they are zamair, means pronouns. So we will not tell that he, she, it, they, like that. But at that place, we have to add the word in this form, and we can make new siras. So we can use in fele mazi alif tasniya, wawe jama, tae mutaharrika, and tae mutaharrika, alif, waw. Who has who has unmuted mic? Alishba Tariq, what is going on? Alif tasniya, wawe jama, tae mutaharrika, which is coming from ta to tu. Na? Anta, falta, faltuma, faltum, falti, faltuma, faltuna, faaltu. Okay? So this is tae mutaharrika. Noon e jama muannas and na, which comes in jama mutakallim sigha. These are zamair will be added in fail, so we can make like fa'ala for tasniya, they too, fa'alu, they all. Falat, this is muannas sigha, but ta is added for to make muannas. After that coming fa'alata alif tasniya, fa'alna noon jama, falta, faltuma, faltum, falti, faltuma, faltunna, fa'altu. Till here you will find that noon jama muannas is added in jama muannas sigha, and ta is added, ta mutaharrika is added in all these sighas, and fa'alna, this na is added for jama mutakallim. In fi'l mazi we are adding alif tasniya, wawe jama, noon niswa. This noon is called noon jama muannas is called noon niswa, and ya. This comes for wahid muannas, taf'alina. You will find taf'alane, alif tasniya is coming, Yaf'aluna waw jama, yaf'aluna taf'aluna waw jama is coming. Yaf'alna nun jama muannas is coming. Taf'alina ya is coming. In Fele Amr also we are adding alif, waw, noon and ya. For which purpose we are adding them? For file. This show file. When you are saying if Allah, what is the meaning of this word? Two work are there to do or two person are there to do? Tell me. If Allah, when I am telling. Huh. Two people are there to do. Verb is not coming musanna. There two work are not there. Work is one, doer are two. This alif is indicates to file. When you are saying zahabu, the work of zahaba is done many time, or many people were there who has done this one work. Okay, so work to is one single, but doer are so many. That's why you cannot say that this fail is jama. Fail is not jama, doer are jama. Okay, understood? Taf'alina. What is the meaning of this word? Taf'alina. This ya is added for which purpose? This is mukhataba. Ya mukhataba comes for wahid muannas hazir. Taf'alina taktubina. Hal anti taktubina ya Zainabu. Hal anti taktubina ya Zainabu. It is coming for, are you writing, O Zainab? So this is coming for wahid muannas hazir. Alif comes for tasniya, waw comes for jama, noon comes for jama muannas, ya comes for ya mukhataba. This is wahid muannas hazir. So now it is clear, or again I have to explain? How many time I will explain, then you can understand, because you are not paying attention. This is the reason you cannot do. You cannot understand. Okay, fail is not jama musanna muannas. The doer is the jama or musanna or muannas. According that we are adding zamair. And this is not I am explaining first time. I think in 7th class also the whole gardan I have explained. And in 4th class, in 4th Madina Arabic Reader 4th, you also have read it. First time it is not done ke ha first time it is going on. In 6th class also I think I have explained, Zamair was explained in 6th class, and then also I have explained. Zamir muttasil marfu comes with fail only. Zamir muttasil marfu comes with fail only, and it comes in this form. With attached zamair are coming in this form in Fele Mazi, and in Fele Muzara it is coming these 4 words. Muhammad Umar, you joined late class, so don't tell me anything. I will not explain again. Yes, these are attached zamair. In this form they comes in Fele Muzara, and because they are file, this is file, waw jama is file, that's why it will be in rafa condition. Ya mukhataba is file, taf'alina you are doing, you one girl is doing, so it will be in rafa condition. Ya noon jama muannas, this is comes in ghaib and hazir both, but it will never be omitted, and it will be it comes for muannas hazir muannas. तो फालतुन्ना हाजिर मुअन्नस, and fa'alna ghaib muannas, yazhabna ghaib muannas, tazhabna hazir muannas, izhabna this and fele amr comes for hazir only. Fele amr comes for hazir only. Okay, voice is coming to you all. There is no response is there. Only Nabiha is in class. They have marked their attendance after they have gone, left the class. Are you understanding what I explained? Like Ahmad, Anti, Kunti, Mana. Anti is Zamir Munfasil, but Kunti, Ti is Zamir Muttasil Marfu, because it is coming as Kana's file. Kunti. Amamaki, Ka is Zamir Muttasil. Innahum Zamir Muttasil. Yakununa Wawe Jama is Muttasil. Yakununa. This is sayakununa, this is fele muzara mustaqbil. Sa is added for muzara mustaqbil. Mashayna, noon jama muannas. Next page 37, first sentence. Mashayna, na is coming for jama mutakallim. Here it is coming shahadnahu, we saw it. So now it is clear today. Very good. On the 16-17 part, you have completed your paper. After that, you have joined class. है ना? It's very good thing. I send message also कि we are going to discuss chapter 12, chapter 11, but you are not understanding. Now time is, I think, going to be over. Yes. If you want to ask anything, you have to ask. It looks that it is very easy, but if you will not memorize, you will not practice, so you cannot do. Understand? And questions which are given in chapter, it is to coming from the lesson, but my questions will be out of that. It will be related to chapter only, not from question answer. Like that, Zamair also, exercises also, it will be different. You know very well, as I have done today. Because I want that you are to know that you are understanding or not understanding. Yes. If any question is there, you want to ask anything. You want to ask anything? Afira is there? Afira, are you present? There is no question. Everything is clear. Eh? Oh, who sent the message just now? Okay, I am not able to understand anything. Write your name. I am not understanding. Who are you? Your name is not there. Tell me if you want to ask anything, because time is going to finish now. Yes. Is there any question? Otherwise, I am going to end the meeting. Okay. Now class will be ended. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.